Bro.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ.
So sorry, I'm cross-eyed, so I don't...
You're good, you're good.
Can I wipe it off for you real quick?
No, you're good, you're good.
I know, sorry, I just don't know where I'm like kind of sneezing at.
No worries.
Okay, my bad. I can wipe it off for you though.
It's fine. It's okay.
Sorry about that, sir.
All good.
Okay, have a good one.
Sorry, my bad, bro. Sorry, I did too many Sniffy bombs last night.
What the fuck, asshole?
Sorry, bro. It's my bad. I'm sorry. I did too many Sniffies last night. I'm sorry.
I don't give a fuck what you did. Too fucking close to me.
It was Thursday football and shit. I'm sorry. I did too many Sniffies last night.
What the fuck does that mean, you fucking loser?
I'm not a loser. I'm
Get
just...
the fuck out of my face.
Okay. It's just too many Sniffies.